What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna unbox replicated version of Balenciaga Track 2. These are in white and yellow color. Before I start, I do not condone buying, selling, reselling replicas. I'm just making videos, so whoever don't like replicated items videos, you can click off and that's fine. If you like, please carry on watching. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, no pressure. I will also leave my Instagram in the description, so if you have any questions, go ahead, you can give a follow there as well. There is my link, you don't have to look for me, you just click and it will direct you right to my Instagram, so you can ask me any questions there. So with that said, let's unbox this big box. You see, they sent it a couple of weeks ago and it's stuck in customs, so they had to resend it, and it took literally just 6 days to come to the UK, so it's really quick. I'm not biased, I just give you my honest opinion on every shoe. So, yeah. Right, so the box a little squished, as you can see. Yellow, white and yellow. That's the box. Tissue paper, extra pair of laces, dust bag, so here they are. Huge. Smells like glue. So, manual how to use the shoes. Shout out to Toby. I will put them on at the end of the video, so stick around. I hope they will fit. Okay, what do you think? Any feedback? No? Approved? Yeah. So, let's take a closer look. Bottoms. They look pretty good to me so far. So that's this size. I'm UK 10, but the European size I'm 45, so they just looked at the European size, so hopefully they will fit. Some pepper inside. That's the insole. It's very nice, soft. I don't know how they make these shoes. Very interesting. So that's this one, and it's gonna be the same with this. Same thing. Made in China. They used to make them in Italy. If I'm wrong, correct me please. Range, it says number 44. I hope it's not this nice. Yeah, the same thing here. So, looking at the shoe, really nice details. They have a smell, obviously, but besides that, you know, they seem pretty good. So I will put them on. I don't know if I'll go outside, make a video, and I will let you know here somewhere maybe if they fit fine. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? You're already here. Hit me up on my IG, check in the description. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace.
We must pay homage to him.